HowExpert Guide to Charcuterie, the 33-day CHARCUTERIE system to craft, pair, and enjoy meat, cheese, fruit, and snack boards. HowExpert Guide to Charcuterie is your step-by-step guide to mastering meat, cheese, fruit, and snack boards. Featuring the 33-day CHARCUTERIE system and 5-part BOARD framework, this book takes you from beginner to advanced, helping you create flavorful, visually striking boards for any occasion. Whether you're starting fresh or leveling up, this guide gives you the tools to grow with creativity and confidence. Each day offers focused lessons to sharpen technique, elevate style, and expand flavor combinations. With a clear structure and hands-on approach, you'll build a strong foundation, refine presentation, and transform simple ingredients into edible art. Master the 33-day CHARCUTERIE system and BOARD framework. Introduction. Learn what charcuterie is, explore its history, and see how this guide helps you craft unforgettable boards. Part 1. B. Build the foundation. Chapter 1. C. Craft the foundation. Days 1 to 3. Explore the origins, key components, and modern evolution of charcuterie. Chapter 2. H. Handpick quality ingredients. Days 4 to 6. Choose the best meats, cheeses, fruits, and accompaniments with purpose. Part 2. O. Organize and arrange. Chapter 3. A. Arrange the board. Days 7 to 9. Master layout, boost visual appeal, and balance color, texture, and flow. Chapter 4. R. Refine your skills. Days 10-12. Perfect slicing, cheese styling, and garnishing techniques. Part 3. A. Add flavors and pairings. Chapter 5. C. Combine flavors. Days 13-15. Blend sweet, salty, savory, and tangy elements for a dynamic experience. Chapter 6. U. Understand pairings. Days 16-18. Match wines, beers, and non-alcoholic drinks to enhance every board. Chapter 7. T. Theme your boards for any occasion. Days 19 to 21. Create seasonal, festive, and dietary-specific boards. Chapter 8. E. Elevate advanced techniques. Days 22 to 24. Explore curing, smoking, and gourmet enhancements. Chapter 9. R. Represent regional and international boards. Days 25-27. Draw from French, Spanish, Italian, and global styles. Part 5. D. Deliver and share. Chapter 10. I. Innovate with creativity. Days 28 to 30. Add playful, artistic, and interactive elements. Chapter 11. E. Enjoy the experience. Days 31 to 33. Host confidently, serve with pride, and savor every moment. Conclusion. Reflect on your progress, stay inspired, and continue building your charcuterie mastery. Appendices. Access bonus tools, safety tips, and helpful resources for lasting success. Why HowExpert Guide to Charcuterie works. 33-day charcuterie system, daily bite-sized lessons to build skills with structure, creativity, and confidence. 5-part BOARD framework, a proven method for boards that are balanced, flavorful, and visually stunning. Comprehensive and practical, covers everything from ingredients to layout, pairings, and presentation. By the end of this 33-day journey, you'll have the tools, techniques, and creative insight to craft boards that impress and inspire. From casual gatherings to elegant occasions, you'll create charcuterie experiences as enjoyable to make as they are to share. With HowExpert Guide to Charcuterie, you'll elevate your boards, delight your guests, and turn every bite into something unforgettable, one charcuterie board at a time. HowExpert publishes how-to guides on all topics from A to Z. Visit howexpert.com to learn more.